right, fam, so we about to go deep inside of the trap, man. So, phenomenal week we have been having in the market. I apologize because we ain't posted in, I think, a week because I just been running around. We finally hit our $1 million trade. It's crazy because today we are down. We down 179,000 today, which is cool because the market's just been running, and that's just a part of the game. I'm not worried about that at all. The account did touch 4 million in total. So let's get to it, man. Let's break it down. Let's get to it. So before we get to it, though, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because ain't nobody else doing it like Trap. Ain't nobody bringing y'all inside their portfolio, telling you what they doing, showing you what they got going on. So any questions you got, man, let's leave it in the chat and I'll get to it. All right, and so the purpose of this is bring you through the options portfolio, then bring you through the long-term portfolio so you can see everything that's going on. All right, so as we can see right here, we got these Apple calls. They are down 16%. It's down $3,800. I have a total of, it's down 19% in total. I have a total of 15 contracts in that. We got the AMAC call. That is down today 14,000. It's up 51,000 in total, up 133%. I need to be taking some profit off of that. We got the Amazon call. The AMAT call is definitely riding off the back of NVIDIA. Remember, AMAT is a great company that helps with the production of semiconductors. Also, we got the Amazon Play. My Amazon Play is crazy because the Amazon Play is up today. And it has been down while everything was running up. So it's actually going opposite of the market today. So we like that. We down 3% and 11% on that. I'm okay. Had two big boys today. AVGO. Got 3 contracts and 2 contracts in the other. This one is up 57,000. This one is up 48,000. I'm gonna just let them run. I'm gonna let them do what they do, simply because I only have 2 contracts and 3 contracts. So I'll just let them do what they do. I'm not mad at those at all. We go a little further. The General Electric play. We got the GE play. This is a play we've been in there for a couple months. It actually up 83%. We have 10 contracts in that. We got the GEV, which is the spinoff of General Electric. That one is kind of odd because it'll be up big, then it'll come down. So we just gonna stick that one. We good on that one. I sold my Google June 21 play. We was up freaking, I don't know, maybe 18,000 on that. But we gonna ride this one out. This one here is due till September. As you can see, it did 4% today. We got 25 contracts on that. All together, we up 41,000. Shout out to Google. Google is handling our business, and Google is a company that I truly believe in, y'all. Like it has moments when it does what it does, but I truly just believe in the Google brand and just what they have going on. As we go a little further, we'll get into this Eli Lilly call, down 5% today. $5 today, 3% today. We got 8 contracts in that. It's down 4,700 today, but in total we up 57,000 in that play alone, up 84%. Once that one gets to 100, we definitely gonna knock that one out the park. My meta play has been fighting me. I'm not gonna lie. My first meta play, it is down 18,000. We got real close. But I think this one I like this. I'm a fan in Facebook, biggest digital marketer in the game, biggest social media. I'm sorry. Google is the biggest digital marketing in the game. Meta is number 2, but they got the number 1 out of all social media platforms. So as you can see, 14% down 18,000. I definitely know we'll get that back. The second meta play, we in the January 17 call. We got 15 contracts. We up 68%. That's 60 grand. We definitely love that. Then we got the Netflix call. 7 contracts on that. Up 47,000, 23,000 in total. That is good. Then we got the Service Now call. Now this one has truly been interesting. So I was up big on the Service Now call. Of course, today is quad winching, so we see a lot of red today. But overall, we see a lot of green. I love Service Now as a business, as a brand. Love what they represent. And again, we just showing y'all inside the portfolio so y'all can see it. Up 1% today. We got 8 contracts on it, up $500. We down 18,000. And of course, y'all know we got the NVIDIA game. We got a November. We'll run y'all through those. We got the November 15th. We got the December 20th, the January 17th, and another January 17th. All these calls split because of the split. As you can see, this is where the bulk of our stuff at. But as you can see right here, this was our $1 million play. That's right. This was our $1 million play. That's right. Meaning we printed $1 million in profit. And as you can see, this play is up 1.5 million is what it's worth altogether. But we printed $1 million in profit. And the reason why I want y'all to see that, so y'all can see the percentages, I'm up 243% in that play. The NVIDIA play right here, we up 186,000 on November 12th call. 186,000, that's up 280%. November 20th call, we up 231,000. That's 247%. The NVIDIA January 17 call is up 1,078,964. That's 246%, 43%. And then our latest NVIDIA call was the 140 call, is up 20%. We up 11,000 on that play. So definitely just rocking hard with NVIDIA. As you can see, we had 31 contracts, but when they did that 10-to-1 stock split, that gave us 310 contracts, and that just shot us out there. Next on the list, we got QCOM. That play is up. We got 3 contracts. That play is up 11%, $748. Then we got the QQQs. We got 2 of those, QQQ and QQQ. It is up 31,214. That's 106%. Definitely need to sell half of that. And then we have the other QQQ, which is up 99%. Okay, in December. You need to sell half of that in a few too. Then we go a little further. We got the SMH play. We got 5 contracts, up 69%. We definitely need to sell half of that in a few. And then we got the TSM play. This was one of our newest plays, TSM. Again, y'all get these options. Y'all get the portfolio after we done put the plays in. Like when I put new plays in, I'll probably block it out for a minute, just because to be fair with the people that pay me, at least 2 weeks, I'll block that out. 2-3 weeks so the play can do what it's supposed to do. So if you want to join that, the link for the Patreon will be in the description. Then we got the TSM play, up 19. We got 5 contracts, up $1,700. That's 18%. Then we got the XLK play. This is the one I gave away in real time on Instagram Live. It's up 104%, 7,500. And then we got the XLY play, down 40% on that play. Now, what I will say is when you look at some of these things, this is what's important. As you can see, we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plays. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 plays. 23, 24, 25. Now the 25 plays we down on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of 25 plays we down on 6, and you can see our average return is probably 100%. So you look at it 113%, 121%, 149%, 83%, 25%, 96%, 84%, 68%, 47%, 280%, 247%, 230%, 106%, 99, 69. So that and 104. So that'll probably give me an average at about 100 and something on what we get on our plays, and it doesn't take a long time for us to do this. And again, It's not, remember, it's because of, one, the quality of companies that I select. Also, two, people think it's leaps, but leaps are when you're going 1 year out. So I mostly do like deep swings. So I'm 6 months, 8 months. Like we put this play in January. We put this play in last month. This month. This SMH place in January. So this is June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January. 7 months. Put this play in at 7 months. Put this play in at 7 months. The $90 call, the December call, we did that play not long ago, right? So it's 6 months, 8 months, 9 months, and it's not just throwing a price on something. I have a specific formula that I go to in the options masterclass. It helps me with understanding what my strike price should be, and then it helps me understand what my expiration dates should be. And it's all about mostly just putting the game in our favor more than anything. So I definitely just want y'all to see that and see what we got going on in the game. And then as we go a little further, what I want to do is bring y'all to the buy and hold plays. So the buy and hold plays, as you can see, Allstate is one of them, is down 3,000. Costco, we have 152 shares. It's up 31,000. We have Centaz, we have 100 shares. We up $952. Deckers, we have 25 shares. We down 1,500. EME, we have 175 shares. We're up 15,000. FICO, we have 60 shares. We're up 10,000. Eli Lilly, we have 200 shares. We're up 53,000. We have Meta, we have 100 shares. We're up 14,000. NVIDIA, we have 2,000 shares. We're up 164,000. PWR, we have 150 shares. We're up 1,600. VTRX, we have 200 shares. We up 11,000. And we are beating the market. We up 34%, 39%. The market is only up about 13% year to date, 14% at best. So we double what the market is doing. And that's my goal. My goal is to not only make a lot of money in the options market, but also to beat the market and buy and hold. For me, that's showing people what can be done and showing you the possibility. So when you're looking at your 401k or you're looking at your annuity and they're saying, yo, our goal is not to beat the market, you tell them, well, give me my money back. Because my goal is to beat the market and my goal is to print a whole bunch of money. So I hope this helps y'all out. Y'all see me next week when we drop another portfolio update. This morning we were so close to 5 million in the portfolio. We was at like 4.8 million. And of course today we had Quad Winchon starts tomorrow, so they start to take a little profit today. That's what the market does. We know the market gonna take profit. We okay with that. We cool with that, man. So it's part of the game, man. It's your boy, the Wallstreet Trapper, man. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you like and subscribe. That is not me in the chat trying to tell you about Bitcoin, or that's not me in the chat trying to tell you about bring you over to WhatsApp. That's not me. Make sure you tune into our show each and every Tuesday. It's called Trapping Tuesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern time on the Wallstreet Looks Like Us Now network. That's our other YouTube channel. We love y'all. We appreciate y'all. We see y'all next time.